A robust police force is essential for the functioning of the justice system. Among the components of the criminal justice system, the police are regarded as the central authority. It is argued that the government, local authorities, non-profit organizations, the general public and the police all play crucial roles in creating a civil society free from crime and mistreatment. To improve the law and order situation in Meghalaya, the police department held its annual meeting on the 28th of June 2024. The meeting was attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Song, Chief Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya Donald P. Walang, Meghalaya Director General of Police Ida Shishanongrang, and other officials from the police department and the state government. Speaking to reporters, Meghalaya DGP Ida Shishanongrang stated that the discussions focused on crime detection and prevention, infrastructure, police public relations, cybercrime, and the rising incidence of crimes against women and children.
This is an annual thing which we normally have every year. Unfortunately, we were not able to have it in last year. So we are having it this year, and we look forward to taking a number of decisions which will be which the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been very kind to assure us that they would continue with their commitment and their support to us.
What are the major issues you will be?
The major issues, our priorities would be, of course, as usual, prevention, detection of crime. Our priorities would also look at the infrastructure that we have. Our priorities would also be a thing which we are trying very hard to improve, our police public relations. To that end, we would be appointing a PRO soon, which we haven't had for a number of years. And also another priority, of course, is, again, together with working with the Social Welfare Department in the DREAMS project. I would like to point out here that in the last conference, which was held in 2022, a number of initiatives were taken up. The government did support us, and we were able actually to do these things rather than just be a tabletop exercise and just ending in discussions. I'd also like to point out here that when it comes to crime against women and children, 65% of our cases which end up in charge sheet, especially in 2023, were from cases of crime against women and children. Yes, crime against women and children is a rise. It's, in fact, if you look at it as a total percentage of the total crime in the state, last year it was 32% of the total crime in the state, which is a cause of concern. That is also, we've had already in the run-up to the implementation of the new laws from the 1st of July, we've had numerous training sessions already. We've had numerous interactions both with BPRLD and with MHA on this, and with other states also as to what are the best practices forward. Yes, the BNSS has already been, the government has already notified it also, and it would be applicable to the whole of Meghalaya. There are various aspects of it. Yesterday we had a panel discussion on it, and the various aspects of it which have changed. There are some new aspects, and those certainly will be a cause of discussion amongst us.